What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video I am going to show you the strategy that I have been using for the past couple of months to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in pure profit from meme coins, and none of it came from trading alone. I know most people watching this video are on the trading side losing a bunch of money, and I completely understand that frustration. I used to be a meme coin trader, but I lost everything. That's why I became a dev. As a meme coin creator, all we do is we find narratives and we turn them into meme coins so that people can buy the coin, and then we profit when we sell our supply on everybody, and also we make money from the creator fees, which is a plus. Now today I am giving you the full method live on camera for free. I will show you my entire strategy from finding the narrative to launching the coin and then getting people to buy my coin on chain. Everything will be shown and done with no gatekeeping. Okay, so let's go. And by the way, guys, I do this method every single day. All I do is I launch meme coins and look at my Phantom wallet. I've made this entire balance from creating coins, so I do know what I'm doing, and that's why I am making this video. Now here's exactly why you need to be taking advantage of deving in 2026. You need to realize that 90% of all meme coins on Solana are straight pump and dumps. Okay, most of the time it will do this here exactly. It will launch, it will pump for a couple minutes, and then it will just dump because the dev is taking thousands of dollars in profit out of the coin, and that is exactly why the coin dumps most of the time. Okay, and that's why you need to avoid trading, bro, because you have no clue if you are going to lose money or make money. Okay, it's a straight 50-50 chance. It's all luck. Okay, now on the other hand, if you start deving coins, well, you're going to see way more profits in your portfolio, maybe because you have nothing to lose. It costs nothing to create coins, so even if no one buys your coin, well, you are break even, and yeah, you can just repeat and launch one over and over again until one coin gets traction. Now all we do is we launch coins using narratives, we wait for buyers, and then we sell our supply, and we do that over and over again. In this video I will be doing a live launch showing you exactly how it works, all live right now, so keep watching. And by the way, guys, before the cops kicks down my doorstep, I want to be clear that everything is for educational purposes only. Yes, I do make money from creating meme coins every single day, but I do not condone any financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Cap. Now here is exactly where I create my meme coins on to reach thousands of potential traders to actually ape into my coin. Okay, I launch my coins on a launchpad called launchmemes.io. It's one of the best launchpads for Radium. Okay, I've been using it for years, bro. Every single coin that you make here will go to Radium, and it's going to reach a bunch of buyers. Okay, now the reason why I do not launch my coins on Pump.Fun is because Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Okay, most of these coins that are launched get no buyers, no one sees them, no one buys them, just because of the oversaturation. There's hundreds of coins being created here. You guys have to stop launching here, bro. You're wasting your time. Instead, launch on Radium, bro. By launching here, your coins are going to skip the bonding curve, and it's going to reach a bunch of people, getting a bunch of traction. Okay, and that's exactly what we want to take advantage of. We just need to get people to buy our coin. That's it, that's all. That's why I launch here. Now launching a meme coin here is extremely simple. Okay, you can create a coin from scratch. Now if you have anything in mind, you can turn it into a meme coin, name, simple image, and then it's done. And then obviously put the links and other social medias related to your coin, and then your coin is live on Radium. Or if you're a beginner or you're just like me, you can actually copy trending coins. Now this is my personal favorite method. I've made like all my money, and I'm still making money from this method. Basically, instead of creating coins from scratch, we're going to copy them. Okay, we're going to just copy one of these coins and launch it back to Radium. Okay, but what makes these coins so special is that they're all going viral on Pump.Fun. They're gaining hundreds of buyers, and that's why they're on this list. Okay, they are the best at this moment to copy, so that's why I love copying coins, bro. It's like vamping. Let me show you how. So obviously, guys, let's level coin and see how much we can make, bro. Follow along, okay, because I will be exposing and showing you every single step. Now click your Phantom wallet, and now click on refresh, and let's copy a coin. Okay, we have all the new coins. Go for one, they're all good. Just copy a meme coin. It does not matter about the market cap, narrative. I don't care about that. Just copy a coin and try it out. If it doesn't work, go for the next one. I'm gonna go for this one, for example. Click on copy the radium. I chose this randomly, right? And then ignore this warning. This is normal. Every rhythm launchpad will get this warning. Just ignore it. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be minted. Give it a couple seconds for it to load on Solana. And boom, now it's on the Solana blockchain. As you guys can see, here's the proof. Let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create a supply. Like that, our coin can skip the buying curve and go to radium. Now follow along, bro. For the amount of coins, click on 90% and do that for every single dev that you do, bro, from now on. That is perfect. That's why you have this preset. For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. This is the first buy for yourself. Like that, you as a dev, you can make money from your supply, you know. That's the whole point. You are not going to lose this SOL that you put in here, bro. You will get this back at the end, bro. Trust, you guys will see. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin is live, bro. It's as simple as that. It takes a couple seconds when you have the hang of it. Boom, click on refresh once, and as you guys can see, our coin is now created. We can now go see the chart to see if people are buying in. Okay, you have your P&L here. I use Photon. Go on any platform that you want and go find your coin. And as you guys can see, boom, it's live. People are aping in. Okay, 50 bucks, 34 bucks, 10 bucks. Things are looking insane. $88. Yeah, bro, our coin is going viral. Well, not that viral, but you know, people are buying in. They love the narrative that we copied. Now, if you come back to launch memes and you click on refresh, you can see here, boom, we're up $272 in profits within seconds. Okay, to check your profits, click on refresh, and then it will show up right here. Now, obviously, our coin is doing good. Now, I would not recommend to sell right now. Just wait for a bit more profits, at least like $1,000 maybe. Or if you want to, you can sell right now. But if it's doing really great, it should continue to go higher. I'm gonna let the coin pump. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, our coin is up so much. Let's cash out, bro. It has been like 10 minutes. Come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and oh my god, we're up 2.65k, guys. That is amazing. Let's cash this out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, bro. Here honestly, it's up to you. I just do 100% and then I launch a new coin after. So remove liquidity, ignore the block real quick, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then we should be fully out of the coin. Oh, bang, we just cashed out. And look guys, before you hop off this video, look at my phantom wallet. Here's the proof. Boom, 35 SOL in my phantom wallet. Okay, all pure profits made from launch memes.io, from launching on Radium, bro. The 0.3 SOL got back in our phantom wallet, and yeah, that's exactly how it works. Now it's up to you to start deving, bro, if you want to change your strategy up. And if you want to win 10 SOL like this lucky winner right here, just join my free Telegram group down below and do all steps and you'll be entered. Peace out.